All right, let's look at this one. A boy got 50% of the questions on a test correct. Now, again, there's a mistake here. If he had 10 questions correct out of the first 12 and blank, something is missing here. So it should be 1/4 and the 1/4 of the remaining questions correct. Okay, so that's what we are putting to solve it correctly. So how many questions were in the test? All right, let's look at that algebraically. All right, let T represent the total number of questions. Then T minus 12 will be the remaining questions after he got 10 out of 12 correct. So 12 has been counted for because we don't know how many questions in the test. So if we subtract the 12 that has been counted for, T minus 12 will be the remaining questions. Okay, we know that the student got 1/2 of the total question correct. So the number he got correct, 1/2 of T, which is the same thing as 50, 1/2 T. Okay, then this is of the total question, but we know he also got correct. He got 10 plus he got 1/4 of this remaining. Let's put in some parentheses, this is all one bunch. Okay, he got 1/4 of that expression correct also. Okay, so this, the 10 he got out of 12 and the 1/4 of the remaining together is equal to the total number he got correct. So these two expressions equal each other. Therefore, we can set them equal to each other and then simplify. We can go ahead and distribute this, simplify it a little bit before we put them together. Watch that this is, change the subtraction to addition and change this to -12. So that's going to be 1 plus 1/4 T plus negative, this is positive times negative. So 4 can cross out, 12, you get 3. So 10, we can also do 10 minus 3 plus 1/4 T is going to equal 1/2 T because both expressions represent what the person got correct in the total exam. So total test. So now 10 minus 3 is 7 plus 1/4 T equals 1/2 T. So we can collect like terms by subtracting 1/4 T from both sides. Okay, so this is 0. So we have 7 on the left side equal. Now, when you're subtracting fractions, remember we need to have a common denominator. So it's 1/2 minus 1/4. So we need to kind of multiply both sides of this by 2. 2 times 4 minus 1/4. So that becomes 2 minus 1 is 1. So actually 1/4 is left. So this is 1/4 T. So then to get T by itself, we can multiply by the reciprocal of 1/4, which is 4. So multiply both sides by 4. So 4 times 7 is 28. Equals 4 crosses out that equals T. Okay, so there were 28 total number of questions in the test since T represents the total. So if we go back to the original question, the answer would be D.